Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix screen recording not working on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open setting and then scroll it down from here, and here you can see control center. Just simply tap on this and then tap on screen recording and then tap on remove, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply check iPhone storage. For that you have to open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, and you have to tap on iPhone storage, and from here check if you have enough storage in your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have, then you have to uninstall some unnecessary app and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, and you have to tap on general, and from here you have to install latest software update and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply check privacy restriction. For that you have to open settings, scroll it down, tap on screen time, then scroll it down, tap on content and privacy restrictions, and from here you have to tap on content restrictions, and from here you have to allow the screen recording, tap on allow, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then you have to reset all settings. For that open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, then tap on reset. From here you have to tap on reset all setting, give your passcode, and you have to tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. So after doing all these things, I'll guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.